after you finalize your simulation, you're gonna have the slider. So at this moment you can show to the patient the comparison of the before and the simulation you proposed. And a nice way to show and share that with the patient is by clicking in before and after. So we're going to see the photos side by side, and you can add your signature or your logo, and clicking on share, you can send via email to your patient or share on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter if your patient prefers. There's also another tool that we can use, which is the bleaching tool. So by clicking whiten, sometimes we have lower teeth that are darker than the patient upper, the design you are making. So we click on the brush and we try to go there on the lowers and whiten them a little bit. And you apply. Now you can come back and share your design with your patient. If you'd like to add your logo and your name, you go to Menu, Account, and by clicking Clinic Logo, you can find photos from your gallery, and by clicking on the name, you can type your name that is going to appear in all the simulations when you click.